In the last 20 years, fresh juice has basically become the standard in bartending. But things like bottled sour mix are still pretty widely available. So I kind of wanted to see, like, is this stuff really that bad? The answer might surprise you. Hi, I'm Caribbean Andy. I want to show you easy ways to make better cocktails at home and talk a little bit about my bartending experience on the way. Check out my other videos, like and subscribe, and, well, hey, let's see what I'm going to make today. Okay, so today we're going to make an Amaretto Sour. Well, in fact, I'm already drinking an Amaretto Sour. This is 2 ounces of Amaretto, and then I filled the glass up with Mr. and Mrs. T sweet and sour mix. Just don't buy this. Don't use this at home. There's no reason. It's just not good. It's fine, but it's not better or really that much. It's not hard to make a great sour. And Jeffrey Morgenthaler is really, honestly, I'd say famous for his Amaretto Sour recipe. You can find a video on him making it on YouTube, probably way more interesting. But basically, I'm gonna make his Amaretto Sour recipe because I like it, and we're gonna compare the two. We are going to start off with our Amaretto. We're gonna do 1.5 ounces of Amaretto. Then, because Amaretto is low in alcohol content and is delicious, but doesn't really pack much of a punch, we're gonna add overproof whiskey to that. So this is bonded old Overholt. It is 100 proof. 3/4 ounce of that. And we're gonna do a full ounce of lemon juice. And we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of egg white to make it like a classic sour and add some of that same thickness. This squeeze bottle is not ideal for egg white, but next time I will trim the edge of this. We're only doing 1/2 ounce of egg white. It doesn't need to be a lemon meringue pie, you know? We're just adding a little bit of viscosity and a little bit of foam on top. Egg white, it's not our base spirit. It's not the star of the show. It's just a little accent, softens the flavor. And then our last ingredient, we are gonna add just a bar spoon of simple syrup. And this is a 2-to-1 simple syrup. This would be a better squeeze bottle for our egg whites. I cut it. Okay. And then for a lot of egg white drinks, you double shake things. We're using bigger ice cubes today. So I'm just gonna pack this with these big cubes, shake really hard, and pour it. And we'll get a nice frothy head on top. I might strain it, I haven't decided. Go ahead and do a single strain. I think it looks cool. And just for fun, let's put some Angostura bitters on top as our garnish. Spin that around, those will rest nicely. Well, this is a treat. This is, you know, I mean, it's a sour. I honestly wish I was getting a little bit more of the amaretto flavor in it. But overall, it's great. Compared to this, it tastes fake. It has that like tart Kool-Aid kind of flavor with like an unwelcome syrupy texture, whereas this is velvety. Well, there you have it. That's how you make an Amaretto Sour. Don't buy sour mix. Have a great day. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell your friends. Thank you. Cheers.